In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Bitwarden. We'll walk through the Bitwarden Web Vault to review member statuses, adjust access to collections, change roles, apply policies, and safely revoke or remove someone when you need to. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has permission to manage your organization. Start by opening the Bitwarden Web Vault in your browser and sign in. From your vault, open the admin console. This is the control center for your organization. In the left menu, choose members to see everyone who currently belongs to your organization, plus those invited or previously deactivated. Across the top, you'll see tabs that help you filter your view. Invited shows people who were sent an invitation but haven't joined yet. Needs confirmation is where users who created an account still need to be confirmed by an admin. Revoked lists anyone whose access was disabled without fully removing their record. These tabs are useful for quick audits and follow-ups. To manage a specific person, click their name to open their member details. Begin with collections. Collections are how Bitwarden groups items, and member access to those collections determines what they can see or edit. Assign only what's necessary for their role to follow the principle of least privilege. Next, open role. Here you can set their permission level. Use user for standard access to shared items. Choose admin when someone should help manage members, collections, or other org settings. Owner is the highest level with full control. Use it sparingly and only for trusted administrators. If you need fine-grained control, pick custom and toggle only the capabilities that person requires. After selecting a role, you can return to collections to confirm their access still makes sense. Open policies to review any organization-wide rules that apply, like requirements for two-step login or master password standards. These are enforced at the org level and help keep your environment consistent. For quick changes, look for the three-dot menu on the members page. From there, you can switch their member role directly by choosing the option you need, such as user, admin, owner, or a custom configuration. If someone should no longer have access, use revoke to immediately disable their sign-in to organization data. Confirm by selecting revoke access. When you're ready to permanently remove them from the organization, choose remove, confirm yes, and make sure to save so every change is applied. That's it. By reviewing member status, adjusting collections, setting the right role, confirming policies, and knowing when to revoke or remove, you'll keep your Bitwarden organization secure and organized.